back to my channel. I am back with a YouTube video, and as you read by the title, do you already know that today's video is a hair collab. I collabed with Blackmoon Hair. They sent me a wig. We'll be unboxing and seeing what it looks like. 360 lace wig, and it is 24 inches, and it is also straight hair, and the hair is also Brazilian silky. So you know, for y'all that be asking, is it human hair? That means that shit can flatter and curl. So this is what it looks like. I'm not sure of the density of this hair, but it's probably like 130 density, because it's not really a lot of hair. But this is what it looks like in the inside. It got the combs. It got the hair for the back, you know, if you want to put it in a ponytail. Let's see a 360 lace all the way around. Now, for this wig, I don't know if I can install this because I never did this before. So I'm going to have mama help me. But if I don't have mama help me, then I'm most likely going to get it done. Like, have somebody professionally put it on. Also, y'all, this came inside of it. It's like some makeup brushes and stuff. This is really cute. Keep watching.
Jordan, you're so cute.
So this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. I really didn't know what I was doing, I'm not gonna lie, but it's cute. The curls kind of fell because I had got in the shower. Yeah, it's a 360 wig, as I explained before. So that means baby hairs in the back, ponytail, bun, whatever you want to do to it, sis. Everything you need to know about this wig will be in the description box. Also, this hair is from Blackmoon, so y'all go shop with them if y'all like this hair. But the tea on this hair is, it is cute. The install cute, but like the hair, it could be better. But the hair, but it do curl, it do flat iron, it do all that. Because when I washed it, it was like a whole different texture hair. It would feel like some beauty supply store hair or something like that. But yeah, y'all, if y'all like, go shop. I would recommend. So yeah, as I said before, go shop with them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video, period. Also, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. And also, I will be showing y'all how the back looks, so stay tuned.